think this angle is good. Hi guys, my skincare and skin acne journey. Emotions are changing. I tried Ayurvedic, I tried homeopathic. 10 years I'm doing this and that. Don't even remember half of the things I've put on this face. That person just walks up to me and says, "Don't you wash your face?" This is a totally non-sponsored video and I didn't know what I did wrong. I was just panicking. Skin works with those products, तो मुझे खर्च करना पड़ता है उतना. ऐसे बनाते हैं यार ये सब वीडियो यार मेरे को. I don't use a towel. चीज तुम्हारे लिए काम करती है महंगी क्यों होती है भाई? Few tips. Put it like this and तो सो जाता है. Hate eating vegetables. Starting में मुझे बहुत पसंद नहीं था, सच बता रही हूँ. And a big warm hug to you guys. Hang in there, you've got this. Yes, I forgot to add this part, but I also tend to think this angle is good. You can see my skin clear, and that's the topic. As you can read from the title, I'm going to share a little bit about me. To start with, hi guys, I'm Prachiti. Welcome to my channel. This is my first ever sit and talk video. I'm really excited to share a lot with you guys. Kind of nervous. A little bit about me. My name is Prachiti Lad. I am 26 years old currently. I have completed my masters, did a little bit of corporate, and I'm on a break currently. I'm trying to work on my creative brain and make content. Basically, one of my videos blew up. Yeah, boy. And I've got a lot of comments, lot of DMs asking about my skincare and skin acne journey. So I wanted to talk about it. My experiences was how acne has impacted me. Now I'm in a healthy skin era. I will not say clean skin. No, God, please, no! Because I don't have that. You can just see, like, there are pores, blemishes. Also, my periods are close, so I'm getting a little here and there acne. The video which blew up, in that I was on my periods just went and a really glow up kind of time. I was also using a blush. This is a transparent one and it works as your body temperature. It gives you that tint. Stop it. Get some help. Factors play a role in it. Even what you're wearing, it reflects like this thing. So it changes. It changes. I don't know where I should start from. I have so much to cover and I want to keep it simple so that you guys can understand it. शुरुआत में 2 hours later. I will say 13 years old. मुझे acne हो रहे थे जैसे a lot of people have it, teenagers. 5 minutes later. You go from your puberty. Also, I have a lot of body change stories as well, which I think I'll cover in future. But now we'll focus on my acne journey. 6.5 hours later. You used to feel you're in your puberty phase and your body is changing around, like people around you are changing, proportions are changing, you're comparing because you don't know where I should go, what I should see, like it's new and I don't know, but our parents don't tend to say a lot about this. They do, they are there for you, but you know what I mean, right guys? 2000 years later. आपको नहीं समझ में आता, you talk to your friends, फिर आप गूगल कर देते हो, आप रेमेडीज देखते हो, then you don't even have a lot of money at that age to buy things. Then if you buy expensive one, it didn't work out, then you feel upset about it. ये सब फेज से मैं गई थी. I tried Ayurvedic, I tried homeopathic, I tried medicines, I tried what not besan haldi pack, then rice water, then I think I even used bajra, I think. I don't know what it's called, grains. उसको ऐसे घिस के pack kind of things. A lot of things I've tried. Like it's almost more than a decade. 10 years I'm doing this and that. I gave up in between. And like fruit pulp I'm using what and what not. Haldi. I just don't even remember half of the things I've put on this face. Stop it. Get some help. This face of mine बहुत ही ज्यादा था. One of the incidents जो मैंने अपने वीडियो के कैप्शन में भी लिखा है, that still feels like I do something wrong, that मुझे पिंपल्स आना मेरी गलती है क्या, मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ टाइप्स. I was there, it was my I think graduation days. कॉलेज खत्म हो गई थी और मैं घर जा रही थी and there were people around me like my friend circle, classmates kind of. ऐसे surrounded थे, इधर उधर scattered थे. They can hear clearly. One of this guy basically who had good skin, the it kids, you know, that person just walks up to me and says, "Don't you wash your face?" I didn't know what to reply. First of all, I was stunned. Like everyone could hear it and I was like, what? And then I just said no. I was so angry in that moment. I was young. I was not even, are you 17? I just went and like, no, I don't know. Would you like to show me how you wash it? Damn! And that person just looked at me and I just went. Everyone was looking at me. I just tried to crack a joke about it and get over it so that people don't talk about it a lot. But feel होता है भाई, होता है, बहुत होता है.
You have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
एंड तुम्हारे रिलेटिव्स होते हैं वो आके बोलते हैं वो तुम्हारे फेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा पिंपल हो रहे हैं. तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स है आजू बाजू जिनकी स्किन क्लियर है, तुम उनसे पूछते हो बट तुम्हारी स्किन टाइप उनकी स्किन टाइप डिफरेंट है. ये तुम्हें उस टाइम समझ में नहीं आता. तुम सब कुछ यूज़ करते हो जो कि तुम्हें सजेस्ट किया जाता है.
5 minutes later.
व्हाट पीपल थिंक उन्होंने किया था एंड वो यूज हुआ, बट तुम्हें बेसिक्स ही नहीं समझ आते क्योंकि कोई बता ही नहीं रहा इन चीज़ों को. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप. लाइक इस एरिया में यहाँ पे समवेयर यू हैव ड्राई पैचेस, सो ऑल ओवर द फेस ऐसे एरियाज है, ठीक है. एंड ऊपर से आई एम वेरी सेंसिटिव. भी मैं यूज़ करूँगी मुझे रिएक्शन हो सकता है. मेरी मॉम मुझे बोलती थी कि उनके पेरेंट्स ने जो उनको बताया कि घर की चीज़ें यूज़ करो, जो तुम खाते हो वो तुम्हारी स्किन के लिए बेटर है. बट इट डिडंट वर्क आउट फॉर मी यार. नहीं चला भाई, नहीं हुआ.
2 hours later.
One thing about this journey, also I would like to clearly mention this. I am not a medical professional. I don't know anything about this medically. I'll really like to point this out. Please do a patch test. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लगाने के पहले आप अपने स्किन पे ट्राई करके देखो. अगर आपको इच हो रहा है, आपको रैश हो रही है, it's very important. Please don't blindly trust me or any creator and just dive into it, buy it. Things are expensive. Your money is important. You just can't listen to someone. And also if it worked for me doesn't mean it will work for you. आपकी स्किन अलग है, मेरी स्किन अलग है, मेरी पेरेंट्स की स्किन अलग है, सबकी स्किन अलग है. टाइप्स सेम हो सकते हैं बट प्रॉब्लम्स अलग हो सकते हैं. किसी को पिगमेंटेशन ज़्यादा है, किसी को एक्ने ज़्यादा है, किसी को टैनिंग ज़्यादा है, किसी को बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई स्किन है. मतलब देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी वास्ट टॉपिक. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू शेयर व्हाट आई डिड. ओके, बिट्स of it. Please don't blindly trust me as well. What? Do your own research. I'm going to share everything. This is a totally non-sponsored video. I have spent my own money on this. So please be very cautious about it. Do your own research. Just don't dive into just because I told you this, okay? Keep this in mind. I am not someone who knows a lot about this. It's just about my personal experience and I would like to share it.
2000 years later.
Okay, ये सब हो गया. अब मैं start करती हूँ. Basically, I had acne since teenage. उसके बाद मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत एक्टिव एक्ने हो गया. It was worse. Like वीडियो में भी आपने देखा होगा, एकदम ही ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है. It's on my neck. Like it was on my back and I didn't know what I did wrong. I didn't do anything. I didn't apply anything. कोई product नहीं. Sudden हो गया था and I was literally crying because I was like, what is happening? I don't know. It's not itching also. नहीं समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. Even my mom was like, you are getting a lot of acne. So then we visited a dermatologist. I don't know why I didn't visit a dermatologist early in my life, but this time it was like it went out of my hand. So I was like, I was just panicking. I was just worried about my skin more than acne. I was like, is this something else? What is it exactly? I was full panic में चली गई थी. डॉक्टर की अपॉइंटमेंट ली. Luckily my first dermatologist appointment was with this wonderful doctor. He understood my problems. He understood my skin. He made me understand what the issue was. Because मेरे को प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मेरे को पिंपल आता है, लेयर पे रहता है वो ऐसे, मतलब जैसे यू गेट अ पस. इट डजंट हैव पस, इट्स जस्ट देयर. लाइक इट्स नॉट गोइंग ऑल्सो, इट्स देयर. आता रहता है, जाता रहता है. तो ही टोल्ड मी दैट देयर इज समथिंग बिलो माई स्किन. लाइक पीपल हैव, क्या यार, मैं आपको डायग्राम यहाँ अटैच कर दूंगी बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम मेडिकल फील्ड, so मुझे वो टर्म्स नहीं पता है. टोल्ड मी दैट योर हेयर हैज़ अ लेयर के नीचे स्किन, राइट, वहाँ से बाल उगता है, वैसे ही पिंपल भी ऊपर आता है. तो वो लेयर कवर्ड है, मतलब देयर इज नो ओपनिंग फॉर इट टू कम अप टोटली. ऐसे मतलब दो थिंग इट हैपेंड. Had a little bit of pigmentation. I still do have it. Nose area, this thing, and for pores, it's there. Like pores are there. You can't just get over it एकदम से. Even when I have this crazy breakout, मुझे almost 6 से 8 महीने लग गए थे guys to just settle down my crazy breakout. The pimples were still there. Trust me, it takes a lot of time. किसी का 1 महीने में हो जाता है, मेरा नहीं हुआ, मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा है. जरूरी नहीं है, आपको उससे ज़्यादा भी लग सकता है, उससे कम भी लग सकता है. Just because मुझे इतना लगा है उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको भी उतना ही लगेगा.
No! God, please, no!
He did peeling treatment on me. 2 sittings were there for peeling and it was expensive. I am being very blunt with you. It is expensive. Even the products I am telling you right now, it has suited my skin but I can't do anything about it. My skin works with those products. तो मुझे खर्च करना पड़ता है उतना. एंड मैं जेन्युइनली प्रमोट नहीं कर रही हूँ। प्लीज आपका बजट, आपका स्पेंडिंग कैपेसिटी मुझसे अलग होगा और मुझे भी टाइम लगा है। सो आई विल स्टार्ट फर्स्ट विथ फेस वॉश। दिस was benzoyl peroxide creamy wash. It is something I use twice a day. My morning routine I'll share. There are not a lot of steps. Easy, simple hai, subtle. This face wash. Then I use this moisturizer kind of. I will even attach the pictures, make it more clear. This is creamy face wash. This is gel based kind of moisturizer. And the last step is my sunscreen. I don't go anywhere. Sorry guys, मेरी full हो गई थी. I have an apple, so मूविंग ऑन। दिस इज द सनस्क्रीन। बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से यूज़ करती हूँ मैं इसको, बहुत ही ज़्यादा, लाइक 2 fingers रूल। इट हैज़ अ वाइट कास्ट, सो आई रिकमेंड यू इफ यू वांट टू वॉक आउट, घर से बाहर जाने वाले हो तो 30 मिनट्स पहले यूज़ कर लो। जेन्युइनली यू कैन सी अ डिफरेंस, लाइक एक वीक 15 डेज के बाद ना सनस्क्रीन से कुछ डिफरेंस दिखता है फेस पे। अब मैं नहीं बता सकती क्या है, बट मेरे को तो दिखा था। Night care is also very simple. I have this 3-in-1 high vitamin C and oatmeal moisturizer. It's a gel base. I use this. I mix 1 मटर का दाना जितना रहता है ना, छोटू सा, उतना ड्रॉप ऑफ। I'll touch the thingy. मटर के दाने इतना, ठीक है, once day, like once रात में। यार ये कैसे बनाते यार ये सब वीडियो, यार मेरे को सीखना पड़ेगा। Guys, please bear with me. I'm just too new for all this. And this is expensive. Budget इतना नहीं है, so I don't use it daily. But if you are good enough to sponsor yourself, then you can buy this. I'm very bad with names, so please, for sensitive skin, which I have, thermal water, anti-irritation and smoothing kind of. This is almost 1,000 rupees. I use it in a week. I use it thrice. Expensive. You can use it daily if you can. I first wash my face at night. This is my night care. I wash my face clearly. I don't use a towel.
What?
That is something I've stopped using. I let it dry. I don't touch my face. Don't use towel. I don't know. I think since 3 years I have not used a face towel. If I have to go out, I'm rushing, I will use a very clean towel. I'll just dab it. That is one thing I do. I don't rub off my face. I let it water sink in करने देती हूँ मैं उसको। Dry होने के बाद spray this. I wait for it to dry again. This moisturizer and this pea itna chotu sa, mix it and use it. I also use it on my neck, like this whole portion itna. That's all. That's all. And for pigmentation, I have got this cream. This is also very expensive. इतना महंगा कहाँ है? जो चीज तुम्हारे लिए काम करती है वो महंगी क्यों होती है भाई?
You have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This is Golit, I think, pronounce it. इसका sunscreen भी आता है. It's not the sunscreen, it's the active powerful depigmentation cream, जो कि आपको दिख रहा है खत्म हो रहा है. This is also expensive. So I use this twice a week. रोज नहीं यूज करती हूँ, और जब मैं ये यूज करती हूँ तो I just wash my face, let it dry and then apply this. That's all. I don't apply a moisturizer, जो मुझे dermatologist ने, ये सब मुझे dermatologist ने दिया है, खुद से मैंने कुछ नहीं करा है. And I have back acne as well as I have this on my arms, which is almost clear. Now you can see, barely दिखता है, यहाँ पे आप दिख रहा है आपको. So I use this thing for it. बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है. I also use a different soap for my body. I didn't bring it in my pouch, but I'll attach it. The picture I'll attach somewhere. Back acne or something like that. That is a good soap. Even my mom used to use it. He was my age. One more thing, guys. The way you eat every day, you have to do your skincare. एक 6 महीने करके कुछ रिजल्ट दिख रहे हैं. You don't stop. Look after yourself. Take care of yourself every day. Okay. Also, one thing. Few tips, which is few things I do in my day-to-day life. I use a towel, what is this called, material, which is very soft for your skin. I use this
पिलो पे होने के पहले I just put it like this and तो सो जाता है.
I change it every single day because पिलो पे डस्ट और पार्टिकल्स बैठने के बहुत चांसेस होते हैं डे टू डे में. I also tie my hair. अभी तो वीडियो के लिए मैंने खोल रखा है कि थोड़ा सा अच्छा दिखूं, थोड़ा तो कुछ कर लूँ जिंदगी में. होल डे माई हेयर इज पोनीटेल डाल के रखा होता है मैंने. फेस पे मैं बाल आने नहीं देती हूँ क्योंकि बालों में भी बहुत बार डस्ट होता है. तुम बाहर जाते हो तो वो तुम्हारे पोर्स में जा सकता है. दैट इज वन थिंग आई डू. बाल का, पिलो का, माई सप्लीमेंट्स. आई टेक विटामिन सी चूएबल टैबलेट. आई अटैच इट ओवर हियर. टेक मैग्नीशियम एवरी नाइट. विटामिन डी. मैं 20 मिनट्स लाइक अराउंड, जब एकदम हार्श सनलाइट नहीं होती सुबह, नॉट माई फेस, डोंट let sun sit on my face क्योंकि sensitive skin है. So my body sun bathe for 20 minutes like vitamin D के लिए. I have lots of veggies. I used to hate it. Teenage days में I used to hate eating vegetables, but I do now. I eat broccolis. I also make a carrot and cucumber salad, which is kind of still retinol. If you want that recipe, let me know. Maybe in one of my future videos, I will make that. If you are interested, it's very simple, 5 steps, and it's amazing. Like it tastes good. At least मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है. Gut health is very important. Morning में मतलब this I do at least is I don't start my day with dairy products. दूध नहीं पीती हूँ मैं सुबह उठते से ही. I have a good breakfast. Starting में I start my day with some lukewarm water, honey. I have chia seeds because fiber. Chia seeds मेरे को काम करते हैं, सब्जा मेरे को काम नहीं करता है. I get bloated because of sabja. You can try sabja or chia seeds as per your body. Whatever you're trying, keep a track of it. Note down the reactions if you're getting any. Every day, like note down, jot down what you did and if you see something different. For me, when I have sugary things, soda, Fanta, Coke or something like that, sugary substances and oily things, so मुझे tend to pimple आते हैं.
No! God, please, no!
1-2 दिन में. I have observed this, so I eat them. I'll not lie to you, but मैंने फ्रीक्वेंसी बहुत कम कर दी है. मतलब 15-20 दिन में एक बार मैं खा लूंगी या कुछ ओकेजनली टाइप वो कर दिया है मैंने. शुगर में मैं बहुत कंट्रोल रखती हूँ. ये सब मुझे इम्पैक्ट करता है. गुड स्लीप साइकिल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज इंपॉर्टेंट. स्ट्रेस लेवल्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर गर्ल्स हार्मोन्स प्ले अ वेरी बिग रोल. मेरा एवरी वीक मेरा फेस चेंज होता है. कभी मेरे को पिगमेंटेशन ज़्यादा होती है एक हफ्ते, कभी मुझे एक्ने बहुत ज़्यादा होती है बिकॉज ऑफ पीरियड्स. माई हार्मोन्स आर इम्बैलेंस. कभी माई फेस लुक्स डल. द नेक्स्ट डे आई वेक अप, वन डे माई फेस इज फुल glowing and the other one it's dull. Even workouts, I am constantly working out since 2019. I have stick to it. Workout glow is real. I will not lie. I love working out, like it's got habitual हो गया. स्टार्टिंग में मुझे बहुत पसंद नहीं था, सच बता रही हूँ मैं. ऐसे मैंने पुश किया है खुद को धीरे धीरे. डांस करके, एक्रोबिक्स करके, होम वर्कआउट मैंने 3-4 साल किया. उसके बाद आई गॉट बोर ऑफ इट. नाउ आई एम डूइंग वेट लिफ्टिंग. साल मुझे वेट लिफ्टिंग में थोड़ा सा हो गया था, बट आई लाइक इट बिकॉज आई हैव मसल्स. The end, I would like to say, please don't be harsh on yourself. It takes time. It's a very difficult place to be. I can understand because I've been there, but just don't be too harsh on yourself. What I suggested might not work for you doesn't mean there is nothing else out there. कुछ ना कुछ जरूर होगा जो आपके लिए काम करेगा. I highly recommend if possible to visit a dermatologist जो आपको समझता है. Please don't leave hope. And a big warm hug to you guys, whoever is going through this. I'm proud of you. You still plan to try any of the products I suggested? Please do your own research. Dermatologist से एक बार confirm कर लेना. In future, if I try something more, I'll definitely give you a feedback about if it worked, if it didn't. That will be all for this video. If you want to stay connected to me, you can hit that subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. Lots of love to you and hang in there. You've got this. Yes, I forgot to add this part, but I also tend to not touch my face until unless it's necessary. I'm working on it. It's difficult, but we are on it.